What type of economic activity is banking? A. Secondary occupation. B. Primary occupation. C. Agro-based industry. D. Tertiary occupation. The correct answer is D. Tertiary occupation. The Chalukyas of Kalyani were also known as which Chalukya dynasty? A. Northern Chalukyas. B. Eastern Chalukyas. C. Western Chalukyas. D. Southern Chalukyas. The correct answer is C. Western Chalukyas. What is the primary function of the centromere during cell division? A. DNA replication. B. Gene expression. C. Protein synthesis. D. Spindle fiber attachment. The correct answer is D. Spindle fiber attachment. Which authors are associated with Principles of Physics, International Student Version? A. Halliday. B. Walker, Halliday, and Resnick. C. Halliday and Walker. D. Verma. The correct answer is B. Walker, Halliday, and Resnick. What is one way HIV can be transmitted from an infected person to a healthy person? A. Airborne droplets. B. Casual contact like shaking hands. C. Sexual contact. D. Sharing food or drinks. The correct answer is C. Sexual contact. What does domestication and propagation of animals under controlled conditions aim to enhance? A. Weed and pest control. B. Soil preparation and sowing. C. Food production and food quality. D. Harvesting and threshing. The correct answer is C. Food production and food quality. Where did Zoroastrianism become popular during this period? A. China. B. Greece. C. Persia. D. India. The correct answer is C. Persia. Who is the author of Complete History of the World? A. Chris Hulman. B. R.D. Conwell. C. Richard Overy. D. Harper Collins. The correct answer is C. Richard Overy. Which type of pollution is described as changing the quality of soil and moving chemicals into plant parts? A. Air pollution. B. Water pollution. C. Land pollution. D. Noise pollution. The correct answer is C. Land pollution. What unit is used for the power of a lens? A. Diopters, D. B. Meters, M. C. Kilograms, kg. D. Centimeters, cm. The correct answer is A. Diopters, D. What does vital refer to in the context of the economic development of the state? A. The number of people living in a defined area. B. The role of the sugar industry. C. The characteristics of a human population. D. The statistical study of population. The correct answer is B. The role of the sugar industry. Who assassinated the last Mauryan emperor, Brihadratha? A. Pushyamitra Sunga. B. Julius Caesar. C. Augustus Caesar. D. Rudradman. The correct answer is A. Pushyamitra Sunga. What does a negative value for image height, H2, typically indicate? A. Upright image. B. Enlarged image. C. Virtual image. D. Inverted image. The correct answer is D. Inverted image. Which two cities or ports mentioned in the Sangam age are related to Gurke and Pumpuhar in Afghanistan? A. Korkai and Pumpuhar. B. Korkai and Urai. C. Vanji and Tondi. D. Matrai and Kudlagad. The correct answer is A. Korkai and Pumpuhar. What is the symbol for the unit kilogram? A. Kilometer. B. J. C. kg. D. Kilo. The correct answer is C. kg. What is the approximate speed of the sun in kilometer s? A. 300 kilometers per second. B. 100 kilometers per second. C. The speed is not provided. D. 200 kilometers per second. The correct answer is C. The speed is not provided. How does adipose tissue contribute to body temperature regulation? A. It facilitates rapid heat dissipation. B. It acts as an insulator. C. It regulates blood flow to the skin. D. It produces heat through metabolism. The correct answer is B. It acts as an insulator. Both plant and animal cells are described as what type of cells? A. Viral. B. Bacterial. C. Prokaryotic. D. Eukaryotic. The correct answer is D. Eukaryotic. What was the starting year of the Tamil nationalist periodical Swadeshmitran? A. 1905. Born in 1932. Circa 1852. D. 1891. The correct answer is D. 1891. Which of the following colors has the shortest wavelength according to the provided information? A. Yellow. B. Violet. C. Green. D. Red. The correct answer is B. Violet. When did many brilliant Pandya kings like Jatvarman and Sundara Pandyan rule? A. At the end of the 13th century. B. During the 10th century. C. In the middle of the 13th century. D. At the beginning of the 12th century. The correct answer is A. At the end of the 13th century. Which type of cells are described as undifferentiated or unspecialized? A. Pancreatic cells. B. Stem cells. C. Nerve cells. D. Heart cells. The correct answer is B. Stem cells. Who assumed control of the American forces after the battle in Massachusetts? A. George Washington. B. Benjamin Franklin. C. Thomas Jefferson. D. Samuel Adams. The correct answer is A. George Washington. Which biosphere reserve is listed as number 2 in Tamil Nadu? A. Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve. B. Pichwaram Biosphere Reserve. C. Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve. D. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. The correct answer is A. Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve. Besides day-to-day happenings, what else does media expose? A. The strength and weakness of the government. B. Only the weakness of the government. C. Only the strength of the government. D. Financial reports of private companies. The correct answer is A. The strength and weakness of the government. In the context of uniform speed, if an object travels 4 meters in 2 seconds, how far will it travel in 4 seconds? A. 10 meters. B. 6 meters. C. 8 meters. D. 12 meters. The correct answer is C. 8 meters. What color is methyl orange in a basic medium? A. Yellow. B. Orange. C. Red. D. Blue. The correct answer is A. Yellow. What is the rotational period of Mars around its own axis? A. Once in 22nd July 2019. B. Once in 687 days. C. Once in 365 days. D. Once in 24 hours 37 minutes. The correct answer is D. Once in 24 hours 37 minutes. Who was placed on the throne after the defeat of Shujauddaulah, Shah Alam, and Mir Qasim? A. Mir Zafar. B. Nizamuddaulah. C. Shah Anwaruddin. D. Mahfuz Khan. The correct answer is A. Mir Zafar. What is a characteristic of hydel stations mentioned in the text? A. Long economic lives. B. Convert chemical energy to electrical energy. C. High operating cost. D. Short economic lives. The correct answer is A. Long economic lives. How did you score?